Oh hey, this video is funded by Sam Labs.
Thanks for watching. While I wouldn't advise using a dangerous heat coil in your own creations, I do suggest checking out Sam Labs. Their blocks powered the coffee powder mechanism and the wireless coin bank, which were lifesavers since I ran out of NXT motors. They also sent me their Curious kit, which allows you to program cars and games. Personally, I enjoyed the RC race car, and I used their blank template to construct Santa's Speedmobile, because sleighs are no longer in style. For more information, click the first link in the description, and I'll return with the marvelous creation next. Punny hint intended.